Hello, welcome to Gayatri's Kitchen. Today we have this fresh organic kale just picked from our garden this morning. It's very tender and full of nutrition, so I try to include kale regularly in our meals. With this beautiful kale, I am going to make a simple and delicious dal. Along with it, I also prepare some rasam. This combination goes well with hot rice. Let's get into the process. First, I have taken 1 cup of tur dal and rinsed it well about 2 to 3 times. Then I added enough water and let it soak for a while. Meanwhile, I'll start prepping the kale. So here I am trying to cut the stems. Usually with store-bought kale, I remove the stem part because it tends to be very hard. But in this kale, it looks so fresh and tender. So I think no need to remove all the stems. So I'm trying to remove the bigger stems. Next, I rinsed the kale thoroughly about 4 to 5 times to make sure there is no dirt or sand left. Then I kept it in the strainer to drain water. In the meantime, I turn on the stove and place the sauce pot. The dal will start cooking while I finish chopping the kale. As you can see, a layer of foam has started forming, so I will remove this and discard it. Optional. For this recipe, the dal needs to be cooked well but not too soft or mushy. Each grain should be cooked enough and separate. So that's why I'm not using pressure cooker. As you can see, the dal is soft and cooked enough. Now I'm draining this into a strainer. I will save this water and make rasam with it. It will be delicious. Next, in a pan, drizzle some olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic, red chilies, and curry leaves. And once they start spluttering, add onions and green chilies. Sprinkle some salt and turmeric and saute them until the onions turns into golden brown. In this I am adding chopped kale. Sprinkle some salt and let it saute for few minutes. As you can see, within a few seconds the kale is already starting to soften. It is so tender and fresh. It doesn't take much time at all. Now I am adding red chili powder. Mix it well. In this I am adding dal. Mix this carefully and let it saute for few more minutes. Now I'm checking the taste. Everything is just right. So I'm closing the lid and letting it cook for a few more minutes. And that's it. Our dal is ready. Actually, this dal is mild in flavor, so I usually prepare rasam along with it. So it makes a perfect combo with rice. So let's prepare rasam. In a sauce pot, I am adding the boiled tur dal water. To this, I am adding sliced onions, tomatoes, salt, turmeric, rasam powder, curry leaves, and little tamarind. Adding some more water. Turn on the stove and place the sauce pot. And finally, I am adding some coriander leaves. Rasam started boiling. Now I am trying to mash the tomatoes with the help of a masher. This is optional. Our rasam is done. Now I'll add tadka. For tadka, heat some oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic, red chilies, curry leaves, and some hing. Once the mustard started spluttering, add it into your rasam. And that's it. Our simple and very tasty rasam is ready. Look at this beautiful, tasty and healthy kale dal and rasam. You also try this recipe. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.